Good morning, Club Lexus. Toyota Lexus family. Got a problem here. I'm trying to start my car. Like, every time I go to push the button to start it, it won't start. I changed a couple of fuses that I thought that blew when I was changing out my fog lights. Now I got this issue where I get the green light. I can start. The cluster will come on, but it don't identify that it's in park. Everything like that, but it doesn't change the gear indicator. Also, the problem I got also if I cut it off, it's like it's no steering wheel lock. So I'm trying to find out, is there a fuse that controls this? I recently pulled all the fuses to check. All the fuses was good after I checked. I disconnected the negative battery, and I disconnected the necessary two fuses that go into the second engine bay to reset the ECU. But I'm trying to find out what this issue can actually be. Like if y'all know any type of fuses that can control like the power, I guess not the power steering, but like the control lock and the indicator on the dashboard. Please leave me a message. It'd be greatly appreciated. Again, happy Monday, and thanks in advance, fam.